What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, which, I mean, who am I kidding? You probably are. My name is Daniel. This behind me is my 2017 Mustang GT, and today we got a brand new mod for the Mustang. So this modification is not a performance part per se in any way, shape, or form, but due to power to weight ratio, I think we should definitely see some power gains. Hopefully. More on that later. So the initial plan was to do the unboxing here on camera. Unfortunately, when the mod arrived, the box that it came in was just completely destroyed. On top of that, the delivery driver was just telling me some horror stories. He told me that he had actually delivered this particular item a couple of times to a different customer. And he told me that every single time he delivered it, there was either something wrong with it or the mod was damaged. So to say that I was a bit nervous is an understatement. And I just did not want to do the unboxing here on camera and then find that there was something wrong with it and have to send it back. So I decided to do it off camera, and I did get a little bit carried away. I mean, good thing is that the item was just in excellent condition. I did go ahead and install it, and I am looking at it right now, and man, does it look amazing. So without having to keep you guys waiting for any more time, we got a 100% genuine Anderson Composites carbon fiber hood. Man, this thing just looks so sick. So I do want to point out how good the fitment is on this hood. Anderson did such a good job of making sure that this thing fit just like the factory hood. This hood does feature the double heat extractors on both sides, as you guys can see. It also has like this cow hood looking thing going on here through the middle. I never actually realized how flat the factory hood actually was until I actually installed this hood. And I mean, like I said, I just cannot get over on how good this thing looks. And in the end, the goal is to make this car the ultimate Batmobile. I just love the contrast and how mean this car actually looks with this brand new hood on. So one thing that I do want to point out is that how light this hood actually is. I mean, it's light as a feather, unlike the factory hood. Don't mind the engine bay. I know it's dirty. I gotta clean it. Now, you do get the Anderson Composite badge here for authenticity. And I mean, one thing I do want to point out that I did not like is the fact that the washer fluid line here, I mean, it's just there. There's not actually a place, or I think that they could have done something, and actually here has damaged the hood under here. Also, I think that they could have done a little bit better on the finish on the inside. I mean, it looks amazing on the outside, but in the inside, it's just like super blah. The same thing here with the vents, or the grills here on the vents. I mean, they're just there like that. But I mean, other than that, obviously, what's important here is how the hood looks through the outside, which I think they did such an excellent job. I'm not exactly sure if we actually got some power gains or not, but I mean, why not test it out, right? I mean, it should be a little bit lighter, so I'm not really sure on how much power we gain, but I think it's safe to say that, I mean, the car does feel lighter. I don't know how much lighter. I didn't actually weigh the factory hood and this one to compare, but I mean, overall, I think that we did a good job. But I think that overall, I mean, the car does feel good. I mean, we're not gonna get all scientific, but I do want to say that the car does feel lighter. I mean, why not? We'll say that it's lighter. Let's see, maybe we can do a bit of a launch here. So left foot on brake, a couple of revs, and go. Whoa, we're getting a little bit squirmy there. I guess the tires are not warm enough, but I mean, you guys get the idea. So I just cannot express how happy I am with the way that this hood turned out. I mean, I think it just looks so mean. Now, I know that there's gonna be a couple of Mustang purists out there who might think that this is just a bit ricey, but to be honest with you, I think that it just gives it a bit of I want to say a sophisticated look. Now, I do want to do a bit more aero, maybe a front carbon fiber splitter to match the hood, maybe some side skirts, even change out that spoiler. Obviously, that is in the plans, or maybe we can go the performance part. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below if you think that I should go performance or just keep, adding maybe some more visual looks. But I mean, overall, I think that the hood looks super sick, and it makes that car look that much meaner. But I mean, if you guys made it to the very end, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys next time.